Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. This video is going to be, the topic of this video is going to be how to get over your fear of getting in front of the camera and how I got over my fear. The simple answer is I just kept doing it. I just kept doing it, and like anything, the more you do it, the more it gets easier. But I'll tell you what I did was, let me just bring myself up here. So I basically just used my phone, and then what I did was is I just put it up on the windshield mount and hit record and said, I would just keep going on with my topic. And the more I did it, the easier it got. And I know there are some people that are just afraid to be in front of the camera. And what I did was I just kept pushing myself, because there was no way I was not going to do it, because I saw the value of video marketing as a big asset to promoting my business. And sometimes in order to succeed, it doesn't matter what you're doing. If you're promoting something, if you're pursuing a dream or a goal, sometimes you just got to get out of that comfort zone in order to push forward and grow. And that's why I started this YouTube channel. I started this YouTube channel to inspire other people not to give up on their dreams, and of course to promote my business. And I'm not gonna lie, I will usually plug my business into some of these videos sometimes, just because it's my business, and that's part of what this channel is about too. But the thing I love doing more than anything now is making videos for you guys. And in earlier videos, actually in some of my other videos, I even said, even if you don't join my business, I hope you got something out of this video or that video, whatever video I'm doing at the time, because I want to inspire you guys to just keep moving forward. We live in a world today that's very collective. It's like you got to think a certain way, and if you step out of that way of thinking, people are gonna say things about you and all that stuff. There's a lot of negativity in the world, and it brings you down. And the key is, I'm not saying just being positive is what's going to make you succeed. Being positive is basically a means of motivating yourself to get to that goal, to achieve that accomplishment that you're going after. And I just think, because the way the world is today, people don't think big anymore. They don't think big because they're afraid of what somebody else is going to think about them, or they basically they're just afraid people are going to talk them out of doing something, or they have a fear of failure. There was I forget who it said it, but there was some motivational speaker. I don't know if it was Tony Robbins or Les Brown, or one of the two people I listen to the most. They said basically, I think it was Tony Robbins. He said, I feared more of not succeeding, and where I would think as I got older, I didn't want to be old one day and regretting I could have actually gone after that thing that I wanted. So I feared not succeeding. So in other ways, he basically turned it around, saying, okay, I'm going to take this risk, and I'm going to go for it. And with all the technology we have today, you could start your own show on YouTube if you wanted to. We have cameras now. I'm talking to you on my laptop. I bought a really nice webcam for this to make videos, because the webcam in my my laptop is okay, but it's not great. So I wanted something that would be nice. But to tell you the truth, your videos don't have to be Hollywood level videos. They really don't. You can make mistakes. There are many mistakes I think I've probably made in this video. I skipped over a word, or I stuttered over a word. I keep all that stuff in there. You know why? Because I want my videos to be real, because they're not scripted. Everything that I say really comes from the heart. Everything. And when I say I like helping people, I truly, really like helping people. I like inspiring other people. And that's how I gave over my fear of making videos, because I wanted to do this. I wanted to push myself to the limit. I wanted to keep making videos, because in the beginning, yeah, I was nervous like anybody else would probably be, or uncomfortable. But you just keep going for it, and you just keep going and going until you finally get it. And now I'm very comfortable doing videos. I always say one of my tricks is I pretend like I'm talking to a friend, and that's how I get over my fear, because I pretend I'm talking to a friend and I'm not just talking to a huge audience. But I know I'm talking to a huge audience now. Well, not huge, but the potential of it being a huge audience is out there, because just because someone doesn't subscribe to my channel doesn't necessarily mean they're not watching my videos. So I always encourage people to hit the subscribe button under the video and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new content. I always do that just so I repeat all the time, because sometimes even if you don't say it, people don't think to do it, you know. So so that's how you get over your fear. You just keep doing it, and you get out of your comfort zone. And when you start getting out of your comfort zone and saying, if I can do this, then there's no limit to what I can do. Because I've overcome this fear. Now, maybe I can get over the fear of posting on my Facebook timeline and having all my family see all the stuff, you know. Because one thing my sponsor once said, he said, your business is going to be built on total strangers. Your family sometimes might not agree with what you're doing, whatever you're promoting or whatever. And even though they may have good intentions, they may talk you out of doing it. But that's not. But if you just keep breaking free and you keep taking action every day, even if you're not seeing results, the more you work, the more opportunities you have of getting those results. Because even these YouTube videos, I may not see a lot of signups through my YouTube channel right now, but as I build my YouTube channel and people see me for who I am really, they're going to build a relationship with me, because people want to join people. If someone joins Power Lead System, they're not joining Power Lead System just because of the opportunity. They can see that Matthew Letendre loves his business, and he's dead serious of taking action for that business, and he wants to help those people grow. So, and everyone that comes into this business, they may not grow because they're not willing to break free. And I believe anyone who comes into my business and starts building their own business, I believe you guys can do it. I really do. It's really not hard once you get going and you start showing people who you really are. And that's the key too when making videos. Don't put on an act. Just be yourself. How long has this video been going? Oh, it's about 10 minutes. So I have a little bit more time before it'll cut me off. I need to upgrade my recording software back to the Pro version, because it only allows me to do 15 minutes which I can't see my the video probably normally wouldn't even be longer than that. But so I think I've covered everything. Just keep going after it. Whatever it is that you're doing, don't give up in your dream. Don't let anyone talk you out of doing it. And if you just pursue it, I mean, just look at the technology we have here. We have phones where we can broadcast live on YouTube or even Facebook or Twitter. You can broadcast live on these things, and you can also get a live audience as well. I'm starting to do more live videos just because I want to get used to doing live videos more. Live videos are different because you can't start over the video once you start. You got to know what you're going to talk about and everything. So that's how I came over my fear. I want to actually show you guys real quick before we finish this video an accomplishment that I achieved today. Let's go into, this is one of our team Facebook groups. Let's see. Here we go. Right here. Click on it. It says, Matthew, a prospect just filled out the opt-in form at your site. And look where it came from. It came from one of my YouTube videos. Now, this person right here who opted in, just because he hasn't signed up yet, and he hasn't, doesn't necessarily mean he won't, because he may want to see more of my videos to see what I'm like and everything. But if I just keep putting out more videos and more videos like this, because lately I've been doing more presentation type videos of my business because I want to start pushing my business more than I've ever have in the past. But this guy or girl, whoever it is, may actually join soon. I don't know. But I just want to let them know I'm here to help. If you sign up under me, I will be your sponsor. And one thing about sponsors, though, if you do join a business opportunity and you don't have somebody who's helping you, really, you got to remember too that maybe your sponsor is actually someone who's just beginning as well. That's why we have Facebook's let me get back there. Like we have this Facebook group right here. It's for support. This is our team Facebook group. And then we got our official Power Lead System Facebook group with over almost 47,000 people in it. There are 47,000 people that could help you. So even if you can't get in touch with me right away, maybe if you ask in one of these Facebook groups, you'll get your answer. But like I said, all my contact information is in the description, including my phone number. Yes, I risk getting spam phone calls, and I do all the time because I put my phone number out there, but that's what I'm willing to do to help people in my business because I absolutely love Power Lead System and my business, and that's how I go about things. So anyways, guys, that's all I'm going to say about this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Help support my channel, and also hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button underneath this video and hit that notification bell, because when you do that, you'll get notified of new content that I upload. So again, the best way to overcome your fears is to face it dead in the face. If you want to make videos, use your phone. You can do it in your car. You can do it while you're taking a walk. Tell people that you're excited about your business or whatever it is that you're promoting or whatever it is that you're pursuing. And don't give up ever. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.